it's Ayushi and you are watching Psychic Readings. And on this channel, I will be bringing tarot pick a card readings, some oracle messages and other amazing weekly updates from the tarot. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Also press that bell icon so that you will be notified each time I upload my new videos. So, first of all, I wish you all a very happy new year. It's my first video of the year 2021. So, for today's reading, we will gonna see what blessings are coming in for you in the year 2021. As you can see, I have arranged 3 piles over here. Pile number 1 with this beautiful pink stone. Pile number 2 with this beautiful blue stone, and pile number 3 with this beautiful yellow stone. So, before you choose any one of these piles, take a moment, take deep breaths, just try to center your thoughts, center your emotions. You can pause this video if you feel like, and then pick a pile you feel most drawn to. So now, without any further ado, I will gonna jump ahead with my pile number 1. So if you pick pile number 1, that is this beautiful pink stone, here are your blessings for the year 2021. So from the Energy Oracle cards, we have Door to Spirit. From Rider-Waite Tarot deck, we have Wheel of Fortune and 10 of Pentacles. Also make sure you stay till the end because we do have a guidance for you and handwritten note. So make sure you do stay till the end. So for my beautiful pile number 1, for you guys, I'm getting this vibe that you will gonna have a lot of success in your career in the year 2021. A lot of opportunities in regards to your career are coming in your way. Also, you guys are on your spiritual journey. Your spirits are trying to communicate with you through symbols, signs. Most of you could receive a feather, especially when it's a white feather. Spirits are trying to tell you that peace is coming, things will gonna get balanced. And for some of you, what I feel like is, if you are apart from your loved ones in the year 2021, you will have a lot of time to spend with them. Yeah, pile number 1. Especially when it comes to your grandparents, you will gonna have plenty of opportunities to spend some time with them. Also, what I see for you guys in the year of 2021, you could be sharing your experiences with other people. If things have been hard for you in the year 2020, what Spirit is trying to tell you is that you have learned a lot in the year 2020. And now it's time for you to spread that knowledge to other people who surrounds you. It can be your family, friends, employees and other people. Take how it resonates. This is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Also, I do feel like some of you may be missing your pet. And spirits are telling me that you will gonna have a lot of opportunity to spend some time with your pet. For you guys, it's all about career. This reading is all about career. In regards to your career, things will gonna change. You will gonna have more stability in the year of 2021. Some of you may purchase a home if you are willing to. Yeah, I do see that some of you may purchase a home. Also, what I'm feeling is there is a lot of abundance coming in your way from multiple areas in your life. Yeah, pile number one. Now let's move ahead and see what's the guidance for you. Alright, so we have temperance for you. Here is the temperance. So for you, pile number one, spirits are trying to tell you that balance things and don't rush, because you have a lot of opportunities, and make sure you grab the best opportunity for yourself, especially when it comes to your career, because this is an entire career reading. So also what I'm getting is a lot of balance is coming in for you, pile number one. Things will gonna be more clear to you. If you have been juggling for quite a while, things will get resolved in the most unexpected way. That's what I'm getting for you. Yeah, pile number one, just try to be more free and let go of your fears. Yeah, group number one, you can indulge yourself in meditations and positive affirmations to let go of your fears. Now, because the year 2021 is full of opportunities for you. Yeah, you may receive a lot of abundance. I'm telling you, pile number one, there is a lot of abundance coming in your way in the year 2021. So make sure you have an open mind towards that. Now we will gonna jump ahead and we will gonna see what handwritten messages we have for my beautiful pile number one. So for my pile number one, we have, I have seen you cry on your bad days, and now it's time for you to shine. I embrace you for staying so strong even on your hardest days. Don't be sad. I am here, always loving you and supporting you. Love, Allah. So, your guides, your angels, your God, whatever you believe in, is trying to tell you that they know that you have been through a lot in the past years, but now it's your time to shine, and they love the way you have been so strong in the hardest times. So, if things have been a bit slow, your God is trying to tell you that don't be sad. They are loving you and they are there always supporting you. So for my beautiful pile one, that's all I have for you. Let me know in the comment section below which part resonated with you. Also let me know what kind of pick a card reading you wanna see next, and I will gonna move ahead into my pile number 2. Hey there, pile number 2, if you picked this beautiful blue stone, here is your reading for the blessings of the year 2021. Also make sure to stay till the end, because we do have your handwritten notes and guidance for the year 2021. So make sure you do stay till the end. So now moving ahead towards your reading. From the energy oracle cards, we have contract. From Rider-Waite Tarot deck, we have Ace of Cups and 10 of Wands. Yeah. So for you guys, I do see a new emotional start coming in your way in the year 2021. Also, what I feel like with this Ten of Wands, in the past, when it comes to your love life, you may have feel very frustrated, irritated in regards to your situations because things were not going as you planned, and spirits are saying that it's time to let go and heal yourself from that past. Also, what I feel like is somewhere you as a partner have taken a lot of responsibilities and other partner wasn't able to give you back that much of love that you provided them. So spirits are saying it's time for you to let go and heal yourself from that so that you can allow this new emotional beginning to come in your way. And also I do sense a new emotional offer coming in your way. It can be a romantic partner, of course. Also, what I feel like is you have been in some kind of a soul contract situation from last few months and things are getting balanced now. Things are changing. Also, in the year 2021, you could be learning a lot. Either you could be learning a new skill or you could be indulging yourself into something creative. Yeah, group number 2. But I do sense a new relationship coming in or improvement in the existence relationship is there for you in the year 2021. For singles, of course, a new love offer is coming in for your way. And when it comes to your career, if you guys are waiting for an offer or opportunity, yes, of course, there is an opportunity and it's a divinely guided opportunity. So, be aware. You may receive some mail, but overall the year 2021 is going to be very emotionally fulfilled. You will feel very relaxed in the year 2021 because you have been through a lot and now you are being rewarded with a new emotional start. So that's a good news, pretty good news. Now we will gonna see what guidance we have for my beautiful pile number 2. So we have the Emperor for you guys. So Emperor here is telling you to take charge of the situation. Don't get caught up in your head. Also, what the Emperor is telling is you could be dealing with some fire sign, can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could be a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But you have the authority and you have the power to get what you want. You just have to keep believing in yourself. That's what the Emperor is trying to tell you. Keep believing in yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Don't allow your fears to hold you back. That's also what I'm hearing for pile number 2. Now, we will gonna see what handwritten messages we have for my beautiful pile number 2. So, for my pile number 2, we have things might have been a bit slow for you, but remember, you are on the right path. Keep going. I love the way you challenge yourself. Don't judge your ability to manifest. As I said with the Emperor card, stop judging yourself. Keep going. We are watching you. All my support is with you. So yeah. Stop judging yourself, and of course you have right, you have ability, you have authority to manifest whatever you want. Just keep believing in yourself and you are on the right path. So that's all I have for my beautiful pile number 2. And let me know in the comment section below which part resonated with you. And also let me know what kind of pick a card reading you want to see next. And now I'm gonna jump ahead to my pile number 3 and I will gonna see you in my next readings. Bye bye pile 2. Hey there pile 3, if you pick this beautiful yellow stone, this is your reading for the year 2021. Make sure you stay till the end because we do have your guidance and some handwritten notes for you. So, for my beautiful pile number 3. Also, this is the pile that got more than 2 cards. So, there are multiple messages for you for the year 2021. Just give me a moment and we will start with your readings. So for my pile 3, what I'm getting is that you guys are so passionate about something that you want to start on your own. But for some reason you are not able to make that happen in physical reality. So for instance, you want to start a blog and you have so many options and you don't know from where you should start. But in the year 2021, you will be able to take charge of the situation in a more practical way and more logical way, and you will be able to establish your goals into physical reality. Also, what I'm getting for you guys is you guys are very creative. Yeah, you are very creative, but for some reasons you might find it hard to express your creative ideas to other people, or you may judge your own creative ideas that whether or not it's worth it, should I do it or should I not. But in the year of 2021, you will be breaking yourself from that fears, and finally you will be taking and desired actions that is needed to be taken. Also from this Page of Cups, I do see an offer coming in for you. I keep on hearing blog. So maybe some of you want to start a blog channel and your fears won't allow you to do so. So Spirit is telling you that listen to your intuition because 2021 is your year and you will be finally taking that desirable actions that you need to take if you don't allow your fears to interrupt you. Let me get a clarifier for this Seven of Cups and we will gonna see what confuses you the most. So for clarifying Seven of Cups, we have clarified the Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups, we have the Hierophant. Alright. So here it goes. Ask for help. Talk to your friends, talk to your family members, whomever you trust, and ask for help. Because you are so caught up in your head, and that is the reason you can't manifest your goals in your physical reality. So what spirit is advising you is either you go for a spiritual advisor or ask help from a family member who is elder than you. Because the thing here is that this is for some of you, that people around you are trying to confuse you, and that is causing you trouble, and you are not able to grab the information that spirit is providing you, because you may be receiving multiple messages from the spirit. Yeah, group number 3. So what spirit is telling you is that in the year 2021, ask help from those whom you trust, not the other people. Alright, and in the year 2021, you will be leaving behind this confusion and you will be taking actions that is needed to be taken. Yeah, and whatever you want to start, whether it is a blog or whether it is a new business venture, in the year 2021, you will be finally doing that. So, now we will gonna see your guidance and then we will see your handwritten note. So for guidance we have 4 of wands. Wow. So first of all, a lot of harmony is coming in your way in the year 2021. Yeah, so for pile 3 with this 4 of wands, a lot of harmony is definitely coming in your way in the year 2021. Also, what your guides are advising you is that spending time with those who are most dear to you, because that will be bringing a lot of joy within you. Also, a lot of you could be attending some sort of family function in the year 2021, be it a marriage or be it anything. Take how it resonates. But I do feel a lot of harmony, stability and security is definitely coming in your way, especially when it comes to your family. And also the guidance is, do spend some time with your most dear ones. Now we will gonna see what handwritten messages we have for you. Take the power of gratitude in your hand. Live more in the present and appreciate what you have now. Even though you are apart from your loved one, remember you have family, friends and so much more you can be grateful for. So your guide spirits are telling you that be grateful for what you have now. Because you might be missing some of your family members, be it a romantic partner or be it your parents or siblings, but spirit are telling you that live more in present and appreciate what you have now, and think less about the future, worry less about the future, and just live more in the present, so you may attract more peace by doing that. Yeah, group number 3, so that's all I have for you. I hope it gave you hope, love and light, and let me know in the comments which part resonated with you, and I will gonna see you in my next readings. Bye bye, pile 3.